Hey guys, welcome to our cabin tour of 10729, which is a standard balcony cabin located towards the aft of the ship on the starboard side on P&O Arvia. So here we are, 10729. Lovely, bright, spacious room. Useful hooks on the wall. We have the sofa by the wardrobe. And we have the beds by the patio. A useful desk with tea and coffee making facilities. It's a decent sized telly. Lots of channels on there. You can look at your onboard account, view the ship's webcam, etc. Located under that is the little minibar fridge, which is a useful size for putting in bottles of water and what have you. More useful cupboard spaces under the desk. We had it set up as 2 twin beds, but you can have it made up as a large double if you choose so. Let's head outside and have a look at the balcony. Okay, going back inside. Bedside table lights have the USB charging sockets on. Here's your cubby holes inside your wardrobe with your safe and hairdryer. Plenty of shelving. Here's your wardrobe hanging space with your life jackets stored at the top. You can ask for more hangers if you do need them. Got your aircon and heating. Shower room's a decent size. Hand soap, shower gel and shampoo by the White Company are provided and topped up throughout your stay. There's a good size shower with a glass door and no clingy curtains. And you've got your emergency instructions for if you need to evacuate the ship. Thanks for watching our cabin tour. If you'd like to see what our balcony cabin looked like on Iona, click the link in the top corner.